A Toyota Corolla radio here with a touchscreen issue. I started disassembling it, removing some of the stuff here. This is the big back piece, and now we're down to this. Let's remove all of this. Right here it is removed. Now we need to replace that touchscreen. Here we got the new touch panel. The old one right there, the old one right there, the new one here. Here it is sandwiched all back together. Let's connect all these flex cables. Here it is back in the shell, connected to the radio. Here it is all back together. I don't have the car to test it or anything, but that's how to fix the touch issue, is replacing that touch screen right there.